guys, welcome to Algorithms Made Easy. Today we will go through the day 5 problem from the July LeetCoding Challenge, Hamming Distance. Please like the video, and if you are new, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss any update. The Hamming distance between two integers is the number of positions at which the corresponding bits are different. Given two integers x and y, we need to calculate the Hamming distance. For the example given, we can see that the two bits shown by the arrow differ, so the output is 2. We know that XOR operation outputs 1 when both the bits are different, so we can use it in finding the Hamming distance. If we take the previous example with x as 1 and y as 4, we can see that these two bits differ. Also, the XOR operation on these two numbers result in 1s at these bit position. So if we count the number of 1s in the XOR result, it will be the output needed. There are different ways to do this. First is by using the bit count function. Second is by shifting the bits. Third one is the optimization in the bit shift method, also known as the Bryan-Kernighan's algorithm. Let's go through each of them one by one. In Java and Python, there is an inbuilt method for counting the 1 bits, so you can directly use this function. Second method is bit shift. In this method, we keep checking the last bit. If it is 1, we increment the distance and then shift the bits to right by 1 so that the last bit is removed. At the end, we return the distance. Taking the previous XOR result, let's try finding the number of 1 bits in it. We will first check whether the last bit is 0 or 1. To do so, we find num mod 2. As 5 mod 2 is 1, we increment the value of distance and then remove the last bit from the number by performing the right shift operation. The number now becomes 2. As 2 is greater than 0, we again check if the last bit is 0 or 1. As it is 0, we just shift our bit. The new number is still greater than 0, so we perform all the operations again. As the last bit is 1, we increment the distance and then shift the bits. As the new number is 0, we stop and return the distance, which is 2. In this method, we performed 4 iterations. While counting the 1 bit, we also iterated for the bits that were already 0. We could further optimize these operations. The optimized approach is called Bryan-Kernighan's algorithm. In this algorithm, instead of shifting the bits, we turn off the rightmost 1 bit in each iteration. So the number of iterations get reduced to the number of 1 bits present. Taking the previous example, let's count the number of 1s by using the Bryan-Kernighan's algorithm. To turn off the rightmost 1 bit, we perform an AND operation between the number and number minus 1. If we do this, we can see that the rightmost 1 bit got flipped and the new number becomes 4. As we flip the bit, we will also increment the distance. The number is still greater than 0, so we continue turning off the 1 bit. We will increment the distance. Now, as the number is 0, the loop breaks and we return the distance. We can see that this approach reduced the iterations to 2 by looping only for 1 bits. Summing it up, here's the algorithm for the optimized method. The time and space complexity for this method is O of 1. Here's the actual code snippet for the method. You can also find the link to this Java code in the description below. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment what you think about the video.